AFP is encouraging volunteers to join the reservist force. Volunteers are needed especially during times of disasters and calamities. Ria Fernandez has the details.
In an archipelagic country surrounded by waters and active volcanoes like the Philippines, different kinds of natural calamities are often felt. Apart from this, we occasionally experience man-made disasters like war as well. When situations like those happen, we need people to help and respond to us, and usually it's the military who come to our rescue. But we are aware that our soldiers are insufficient to attend to all the problems our country is having. Colonel Bong Arce, Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Manpower Division, said that volunteerism or serving without expecting anything in return, like joining their corps as reservists, is the answer to the inadequate number of troopers.
Meron tayong 125,000 na regular members ng Armed Forces. Ito ay masyadong kokonti para sa pagharap sa mga problema ng bansa. So, kinakailangan natin yung mga reservists na madali nating matatawag pagka nangailangan na tayo. Gaya ng Yolanda, nagagamit natin sila. Hindi lang yun, pati equipment nila, pinapagamit nila sa atin. Gaya nung, yun nga, sinabi ko na nga, yung Yolanda, may 5 barko ang Philippine Navy Affiliated Reserve na pinagamit ng libre. Pinadala nila yung mga barko nila ng libre, walang ginastos ang gobyerno. Tumulong sila sa paghahakot ng pagkain, ng gamot at ng tao. Pabalik dito rin sa Maynila. So, malaking bagay sila. Hindi sila humingi ng anumang kapalit o yung pamalit doon sa ginastos ng operation ng 5 barko, walang ginamit. Kaya ito purely volunteerism.
A reservist shall help the Army during disasters and national emergencies, especially in providing humanitarian assistance and disaster response. A case in point was when Super Typhoon Yolanda hit on November 2013. Being part of the Reserve Armed Forces is not as rigid as becoming a regular. Here, anyone can join so long as the person is within 18 to 65 years old, a bachelor's degree holder, physically fit, and willing to undergo training. However, Colonel Arce clarified that there are some reservists who were formally regularized.
May mga cases tayong ganyan, mga nako-call to active duty na mga reservist. Pinag-aaral din ito ng AFP, kagaya ng pagtuturo sa ating mga active. Ginagastusan din sila. Tapos sinuswelduhan sila. Lahat din na ibibigay din sa kanila. Pero ito yung mga mga special cases na talagang gusto nilang lumampas na sila roon sa volunteerism, talagang active. Kumbaga active na parang gusto na nilang sumabay sa pagiging aktibo naming mga nasa regular. So pinapayagan natin itong mga ito. Actually may programa kami na i-absorb sila, pero of course meron tayong mga konting legal legal impediments na kailangan muna nating i-satisfy.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.